Please stay close to each other. The jungle is beautiful, but it can be dangerous.
Don't worry, we'll stay together.
Kids, walk next to us.
Mom, this place is amazing. Yeah, there are so many sounds. I think I heard a bird. That was not a bird. Then what was it? Maybe a monkey. Wait,
What is it, Benny?
look over there.
Where?
On that tree. Oh, it's so cute. Mom, look at the baby monkey.
Yes, I see it.
It's adorable.
I want to see it closer.
No, Benny, stay here.
But Mom, it's just a baby.
Your mom is right,
Why?
because the mother monkey may be nearby. And if she thinks you are a danger, she may attack.
Oh,
See? I told you.
you didn't tell me.
I was about to. Benny, come back here, please.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming. Whoa, Mom,
Benny!
What happened?
my foot is stuck.
What do you mean stuck?
I stepped in something.
That's swamp mud.
Swamp mud.
Don't move, I'm coming. Give me your hand.
Dad, my shoe.
What about your shoe?
It's still in the mud.
Oh, no.
Dad, I think the mud ate my shoe.
The mud is hungry today. Lily? What? I'm just saying.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
There we go.
But my shoe. Mom, my shoe is gone.
Oh, no. Now you have one jungle shoe.
That's not funny.
It's a little funny.
Mom, I want my shoe back. Mom, what am I going to do now?
Let me see your foot. Are you hurt?
No, but my shoe is gone forever.
The mud monster took it.
Lily!
What? Maybe it was hungry.
Okay, let's focus.
Dad, I can't walk with one shoe,
You can walk a little.
but the ground is wet.
The path gets better ahead.
Are you sure?
Yes. Just a few more minutes.
Harry, maybe you should carry him.
Yes, please.
All right, come here.
Thanks, Dad.
Now you look like a jungle king.
Mom, this jungle is huge.
It really is. I feel like we are in a movie.
An adventure movie.
With missing shoes.
Look ahead.
What is it?
There is a small village nearby.
A village?
Yes. A local tribe lives there.
Really?
Do they live in the jungle?
Yes. They know the jungle very well.
Maybe they know where my shoe is.
Unless the mud monster ate it.
Lily,
Kids.
We will stop there for a while.
That sounds good.
Yes, we could use a break.
And maybe a new shoe. Wow! Is this the village?
Yes. Welcome to the Amazon village.
Wow! This place is beautiful. It looks like a movie village.
Everyone is looking at us.
They are probably curious.
Don't worry. They are friendly people.
Hello, friends.
Hello. We are visiting the jungle.
You are welcome here.
Thank you.
It's nice to meet you.
What happened to your shoe?
The mud ate it.
The mud ate it?
Yes. It was a hungry mud monster.
Lily.
He stepped in swamp mud.
And my shoe stayed there.
Jungle mud.
Can we get it back?
No.
Oh,
But maybe we can help.
really?
Yes.
How?
We make shoes here.
You make shoes?
Jungle shoes.
That sounds cool. I want jungle shoes.
They use tree fibers and strong leaves.
That's impressive.
Thank you for helping us.
It is no problem.
Best jungle day ever. Are those for the shoes?
Yes.
People here have done this for many years.
That's amazing.
I've never seen shoes made like this.
What is he doing first?
He's making the bottom of the shoe.
Oh, like the base.
Exactly.
His hands move so fast.
He's very skilled.
Try it.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Does it fit?
Yes. It feels really comfortable.
Stand up slowly.
It works. Look at you. My jungle shoes.
Now the second one. There you go.
Thank you so much.
That was very kind of you.
We really appreciate your help.
I want to give you something.
Oh,
This is for you.
what is it?
It's candy. It's very sweet.
Oh, this is very good.
I think he likes it.
Looks like it.
I have welcomed many visitors before, but today I received a new gift.
I'm glad you like it. Mom, look.
Wow, they fit perfectly.
Try walking a little more.
They feel great. Your jungle shoes are better than your old ones. Maybe.
Don't get used to them.
Your real shoes are still better.
I think they want to say hello. Hi,
Hello?
do you want to play?
Yes.
Is that like soccer?
Yes. They played this game often.
Hey, my jungle shoes work really well. Wait. What is it? Look up there. It's the same monkey. I think it followed us.
Or maybe it just lives here.
Monkeys are very curious animals.
Benny. Remember what we said earlier.
I know. I won't go near it. I think it likes you. Maybe it likes my new shoes.
Or maybe it wants your candy.
Sorry, that candy is gone.
We should continue our trip soon.
Yes, we've already stayed here a while.
Thank you for the shoes.
You are welcome, young explorer.